Did you know that in the US, over 60% of small businesses are organized as pass-through entities, and out of those, over 4 million are S corporations? But why are so many businesses choosing to form as an S Corp? Let's go over the benefits. But before we get started, please press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. The first and often most critical benefit of an S Corp is the limited liability protection. Unlike sole proprietorships or partnerships, an S Corp shields its owner's personal assets from the company's liabilities. If something goes wrong, you won't be personally on the hook for debts and lawsuits. The second advantage is the unique tax structure of an S Corp. These entities offer what we call pass-through taxation. Any business profit or loss is reported directly on the owner's personal tax returns. This means you avoid the dreaded double taxation often associated with C corporations. But there's another, equally enticing tax benefit. Only the salary paid to the owner-employee is subject to employment tax. The remaining income is treated as a distribution, which can save significantly on Social Security and Medicare taxes. For instance, in a recent survey, small business owners saved an average of 15% on these taxes, representing thousands of dollars in savings every year. The third benefit is about business credibility. Entities like S Corp are seen as more formal and committed than sole proprietorships. This can make it easier to attract investors, clients, and potential employees, giving you a competitive edge in your market. Last but not least, S corporations offer greater flexibility in profit and loss allocation. Profits and losses can be allocated differently than ownership percentages, as long as all shareholders agree. This means that an owner who contributes more effort can be rewarded with a greater share of the profits. So there you have it. Limited liability, unique tax benefits, improved business credibility, and profit-loss flexibility. These are just some of the reasons why millions of small businesses choose to form as an S corporation. This decision can be complex and requires careful thought. Before deciding on the business structure that best suits your needs, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the advantages of having an S Corp? Which benefit are you the most excited about? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.